In this tutorial I will show you how to link a Facebook page to Messenger. So if you created your Facebook page using your main account, that means it is connected to your Messenger account automatically. It's automatically connected to your Messenger. So if you're not receiving any messages on your Facebook Messages app, then I will show you how to fix that. First, open up your Facebook app and switch over to the Facebook page profile. So here in the menu, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Select the page settings. Go to Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on the messaging option. There, just tap on the Allow people and pages to message your page. So that is how you can link your Facebook page to Messenger.